No! Cease and desist! What? It was all a dream? Hello, Penwell. Who are you? My name is Maurice, and I am the King of the Void. After you read that cease and desist letter, Crazy Hand sent you to this alternate universe to say one last goodbye to your friends. But I thought they were in the void. Yeah, but as the King of the Void, I kicked him out. Yeah, he paid me $15 and a Costco hot dog for that. Oh, well, that's nice. So, come with me. Alright, here's BFG Fish. Why is he sleeping? Well, he got so bored of the void that when I brought him back, yeah, he was sleeping. Yeah, he's still sleeping. Now wake up, BFG Fish. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up, BFG Fish. Yeah, I tried that a lot and he still won't wake up. Well, where's Markerwell? Well, here's Markerwell. Wait, why is he the same color as me? Oh yeah, we didn't have like a light, we didn't have a cyan color, we only had 3 colors. But yeah, he got trapped in a whiteboard. Why is he trapped in a whiteboard? Well, he was so annoying that I had to send him onto the whiteboard. And this was his famous last words. Oh my gosh. Alright, Pamon, that was all I needed to show you. Wait, I have so many questions. Also, why was this episode even made? Well, look, we took a poll, and there were 82% no votes. That means the episode wouldn't be made. Yeah, but I don't make the rules. I made it anyways. Okay, well, I didn't really have a good chance to say goodbye to them, so can I go back? No, you can't. Go to sleep right now, or you are grounded. You can't ground me. Oh, yes, I can. Hey, you don't ground me. I'm gonna ground you. Hey! You wanna battle this out, Penwell? Yes, I will do anything to say goodbye to my best friends. Well, okay then. My ears, they hurt so bad. My ears. You know I'm King of the Void, so you know I'm gonna win. Yeah. That did nothing. Oh. Ha ha ha! Prepare to lose. What are you doing with my phone? Whoa, hold up, dude. Were you texting a minor? No! I've been canceled! Yeah! Well, now that Maurice is dead, how will I get out of here? Come on, BFG Fish, let's go. Whoa! Hold on. Penwell, to get out of here, go downstairs and pluck the heliocentric guitar. What? Markerwell, how are you talking to me? I'm still alive behind here. Now go. Okay, Markerwell, one last question. How do you know that we have to pluck the heliocentric guitar to get out of here? I heard Maurice talking about it. Now go. Oh my god. Okay, fine, Maurice, we'll go. Okay. Welcome to Studio Argix Jalamorgagizj, the pool guy's official studio. Oh, that's pretty cool. Alright, let's keep going. Okay, I think This is the heliocentric guitar. Let me pluck it, one of its strings. It didn't do anything. Oh, maybe I have to turn this on. Okay. Now. Oh, shoot. Come on. We need to make that powerful noise, and my screen randomly just oriented for some reason. Anyway, let's go. Oh! Oh my god! Woo! Whoa, BFG Fish, we're falling in. We're coming home. Whoa. We're coming home, BFG Fish. Okay, it's a blowing now. Turns out we need to just shove ourselves in there for it to start sucking us in. Whoa!
I'm getting sucked in too. The reason why I'm a picture and not a plushie is because I'm in the storage unit right now. Look, guys, I'm falling too. See ya.
So
I'm falling.
Also eat my ass haters.
Hi, my name is Tom and I
I
suck
love
dick.
falling. It's awesome. Guys, I think we made it.
To be continued.